Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that after updated to the latest version of iOS, they are getting a weak signal or no service issue on iPhone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Make sure the cellular data is on. The first thing you should do when your iPhone has a weak signal is to make sure that the cellular data on your iPhone is turned on. Just go to Settings. Next, tap on Mobile Service or Mobile Data. Next, toggle on Mobile Data. Solution 2. Remove your iPhone case. Most iPhone cases will not interfere with the device's antenna at all, but some can cause a loss in signal strength, particularly in older iPhone models. You can determine if the iPhone case is the problem by simply removing it from the device. The signal strength improves significantly, or you have a better quality phone, all experience. Then the cause was the problem and you might need to get a new one. Solution 3. Toggle airplane mode on and off. To do this, swipe down the control center from the upper of the screen. Find the icon of the airplane mode. Click it to enable this feature. Wait for a few seconds and then click again to disable it. Solution 4. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Have you ever recently removed the SIM card from your iPhone? If you have, then the iPhone signal is likely to be affected if the SIM card is not inserted correctly. Using the ejection pin to take out of the SIM card and then clear the card slot with a dry and clean cloth or brush. Wait for a while and then reinsert the SIM card to the device. Next, reboot the device and check the signal. Solution 5. Update your iPhone. To update, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 7. Reset network settings. To reset, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset network settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.